What's up, you guys? My name is Tier, and you're watching Tier Aria.
Thinking ahead of time, why don't you spend the night? I know you love me. Pick up and roll the dice, reading between the lines. I know you love me. We can book a flight, wake up and paradise.
Alright, you guys, long time no see. It's been a while since I've done like a cooking video slash baking videos, and today we're gonna be making some Biscoff cookies, y'all. Biscoff. And today I just woke up and I was like, let's go ahead and make those cookies today. So that's what we're about to do. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all of the ingredients, everything that I use for the Biscoff cookies. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something today. Like, I'll be learning something today. Obviously, you guys know I'm a TikTok addict, so I did get the recipe off of TikTok. So we're just gonna kind of mix everybody's recipes into one. Hey, let's get started. Alright, you guys, so for the ingredients we have this Betty Crocker. This is the white flavor of the super moist cake mix, and everything that I have, you guys, is from Target, so you can find all of this at your local Target or Walmart. They have the same stuff pretty much. These are the white baking chips, the Biscoff cookie butter. I have tried this before on a cinnamon roll. It was so good. You guys had a Biscoff cinnamon roll from a place called DeVilma. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct. I love that place. Their stuff is so good, y'all. But yeah, this is really good. The OG Biscoff cookies. Love eating these on planes. Then we're gonna be using oil as well and 2 eggs. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we got our eggs right here. Vegetable oil. Alright, you guys, so we have our bowl. You guys know I love this bowl. This is my favorite bowl, y'all. This is the non-stick bowl. Love it. You know, silver on the inside. It's starting to, like, on the bottom, it's starting to, like, you know, come off a little bit, but I don't care. It's still my favorite bowl. I don't care. It still gets the job done. Here is the measuring cup. I wanted to make these cookies for so long. Like, oh my gosh, they're gonna be so good. I already know it's gonna be so good, y'all. Let's get started. She finna bake. Baking is a thing. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so we're about to get started. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. I'm about to preheat my oven now. So I would say preheat it before you even get anything out. Just go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Alright, you guys, so first we're gonna pour the cake mix into the bowl. Alright, you guys, so next we're gonna put our 2 eggs into the bowl. Y'all, why half of the yolk flew out? Y'all, I'm terrible at cracking eggs. Alright, now we're gonna do a half a cup of oil. I don't have any specific measurements for this, you guys. However much you want to use for yours. I'm just gonna do a fat spoonful of it and put it into the bowl. Because nobody really has a specific like measurement online that I see, so I'm just gonna do what I want. Hey, look how smooth it looks, y'all. Oh my goodness, it looks so smooth. Alright. Ooh. So y'all, we don't take like, I'm gonna take this much. Oh my gosh, is this too much? I think this is good. Y'all see it's stuck like this. Flip it over. Y'all don't be like me. Don't be like me. Alright, let me wipe that out real quick. I'll be right back. So now we're gonna take a few Biscoff cookies and we're gonna crush them up really tiny, and we're gonna put them into the bowl. I'm just gonna put some of the cookies in this bag and then crush them up. Probably gonna smack them on the table like that. You know, gotta do what you gotta do, because I don't have a blender for this stuff. I need to get a blender. I need to invest in a blender. Y'all, it did get on my shirt. Oh my gosh. Ah! Alright, you guys, so I put about 7 cookies in here. So we'll see how much this is like after I crush it up. And then I'll let you guys know if I add any more or just leave it as is. Alright, you guys, so I finished finished smashing up the Biscoff cookies. Took a little while, but we got it done. Did what I needed to do. Got the job done. Y'all, this smells so good. We're gonna add the white baking chips, aka the white chocolate chips. I don't have any measurements specifically, just pour however much you want. If you like white chocolate, put it in the bowl. If you like a lot of it, if you don't like a lot of it, don't put a lot. But yeah, it's up to you guys. You can do whatever you want. Yo kitchen, yo rules. That should be good. Alright guys, you know what time it is. It's time to look at it. So I'm about to mix this up and then I'll check back in with you guys. Alright you guys, so everything is mixed up. You guys, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. You gotta smell it through the phone. I'm about to get the pan ready and some parchment paper. I always like to use parchment paper. It's just easier for the cookies to come off of the pan so they're not super stuck or anything like that. This is the pan we're gonna use for the cookies. It's pretty big, so I feel like I could fit a few cookies on here. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna use this, and then I'm about to put the parchment paper onto the pan. This is the parchment paper we use. We use the Walmart brand because we're cheap, and why not? It works just fine. So we use the Great Value parchment paper. All right, you guys, so the parchment paper is down to my liking. So we're about to go ahead and roll up the cookies. I think I'm gonna do 2 different batches of 6. I think I can get 12 cookies out of the amount that I have. So yeah, that's what we're going for. But you guys, so I'm about to roll the rest of these and then I'll check back with you guys. Alright you guys, so the cookies are done being rolled. Now I'm about to throw them into the oven, you guys, and we're almost done. And then I'll show you guys how I decorate the cookies. But like I said, I'm going to do 2 batches, so I'll check back with you guys after both batches are done so that we can decorate the cookies and then we'll be all done. And yeah, super excited, you guys. It's about to taste so good. Alright you guys, I'm about to put the cookies into the oven. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, the cookies are in, you guys. I can't wait. Let's check on the cookies, y'all. Let's see what they're looking like. Ooh, y'all, they smell so good. Ooh, y'all see them cookies? Fire. We have like 2 more minutes. You're gonna let the cookies bake for 13 minutes, you guys. I forgot to let you guys know that. So the cookies are gonna bake for 13 minutes. If you like your cookies semi-soft, semi-hard, I would say do 13 minutes. If you like your cookies a little harder, I would say leave it in longer than 13 minutes. It's all up to you. Do whatever you want. You know, everybody has different preferences. Check back with you guys when the cookies come out of the oven. Alright you guys, so I'm about to warm this up in the microwave. I'm just gonna take like a scoop and put it into like a little bowl and just warm it up to soften it up a little bit because we're gonna drizzle this on top of the cookies. So yeah, it's just to soften it up. Do y'all see this? This looks like doo-doo. Looks really disgusting, not gonna lie. Looks very nasty, but tastes really good. But yeah, so I'm about to put it in the microwave right now. Alright you guys, so I finished warming up the Biscoff and then this is what it looks like right now. I'm not sure if this is going to be enough to put on all the cookies, so we're just going to do as many cookies as we can, and then if it's not enough, I'll just warm some more of the cookie butter up in the microwave, and then yeah. So we're just going to drizzle this on top of the cookies. Alright you guys, so It looks like we had enough. I tried to squeeze as much out as I could, so this is how the bags looks right now. Look like a bag of doo-doo, honestly. Looks disgusting. But you guys, this is how the cookies look right now. So now we're about to add the Biscoff cookies on top of the cookies, and then we're all finished. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna take the Biscoff cookies and we're gonna cut them in half and then place them on top of the cookies. Because the whole Biscoff cookie, I don't think it's gonna fit on top of there by itself, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished product. Let me give you guys a better look. Ooh, let me know what you guys think. I think they look delicious, you guys. These look so good. How did you guys think I did? Let me know down below, you guys. Give me a little comment. Let me know if the cookies look good or what. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. Obviously, we got to do a little taste test so I can show you guys how they taste, but yeah, you guys, these are the cookies. I'm gonna let them cool off for a little bit more just to let the cookies set in, and then yeah, we're gonna wrap them up. Yeah, you guys, this is the finished product. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my goodness. Oh. But all right, you guys, so the cookies are officially done. I'm super excited to try the cookies. They look so delicious. I'm super excited. Give yourselves a round of applause if you're cooking with me or baking with me right now. You know, give yourselves a round of applause. Let me know if you guys are gonna follow my recipe down below. Let me know. Give me a little comment. You know, just let me know what's up. But yeah, you guys, so we're about to try the cookie right now. Wait, how was Squirt doing? He was like. All right, so let's try the cookie now. Here is the moment of truth. Bussin'. Yeah, this is really good. It's like perfectly soft too. Like the 13 minutes is perfect if you like soft cookies. This is really good. Y'all, I did that. Oh my god, let me pat myself in the back. I really can't believe it came out like this. Like, I thought something was gonna come out bad today, not gonna lie. I've been thinking negative sometimes, and I thought it was gonna be nasty, but y'all, they're really good. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more baking videos with me. I love to bake, so I'll definitely you know, give you guys more videos if you like that. Maybe I'll cook some other stuff or bake some other stuff that's not cookies, maybe like some cheesecake or cake or something like that. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys would like to see. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so thankful for you guys for watching my video. But stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I said. And I'll check back in with you guys on the next one. Bye.